Okay, afternoon. Another day here in Omis, and it's all happening rather quickly. We're going on a boat trip. We just literally walked down the road and some guy accosted us and said, "You come for a boat trip?" So we said yeah, so we're going to go on one. I think we're just going to get on one of these little boats and sail up the river for a few kilometres. I don't really know what's going on. On the yellow one, he says, so let's see the yellow one. Alright, rock and roll. We on board, baby! Oh, let's have a little photo then. Where's the photo button? There's that one. Ready? That was a photo. Yeah, just gonna wait 5-10 minutes for this guy to come back. Hopefully we have some more people on the boat. If not, just us cruising down the river. Castle up there, look. We have to explore that at some point. That's all we can see from our bedroom window. Normally stop. There's a pub here, so I'm gonna go get a drink. It's been a cool trip so far. Really amazing scenery. Yeah. I didn't film the drinks. Just a coffee and a beer and stuff. Nothing interesting really, but that was a nice restaurant. I think we might come back here another time. But yeah, back on the boat. Let's assume the position. Where he is, he just does that. Oh, hang on. And he does that. I got strange kids. So yeah, that was our little restaurant that we went to just then. That was good. Bought Steve a coffee. He's woken up. Hear me over the engine noise. It's been a real enjoyable boat trip. If you're into just a cool, lazy trip down the river, then this is for you. Amazing scenery. Pretty friendly boat driver. Warm coffee. Yeah, just good time. There's a family.